Hi guys, so I was reading this book and I thought I will just share with you um, nuggets of wisdom na I think will be very helpful for you. So the title of this book is The Mountain Is You by Brianna West. So sabi dun sa book, sometimes we need some form of catalyst to grow and explore, an example of which is our problems. Human beings often need to be faced with no other option but to change before they really do. Yung wala na talaga tayong choice kundi to go on with the change, kaya natin nagagawa mag-push through. Usually, when we have a problem that is circumstantial, we are facing the reality of life. When we have a problem that is chronic, we are facing the reality of ourselves. Kapag daw may problema tayo na dala ng pagkakataon, realidad lang yon ng buhay. Pero kapag ang problema ay paulit-ulit or tipong laging ganun, nahaharap tayo sa realidad ng sarili natin, especially in times na tayo ang common denominator sa lahat ng situation. Tingnan din natin baka nasa atin ang problema. There is nothing holding you back in life more than yourself. Sa totoo lang, nilalabanan natin yung discomfort brought by change, kaya nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, subconsciously. Self-sabotage appears to be a product of self-hatred, low confidence, or lack of willpower. So, how do you overcome self-sabotaging behavior? So, go through a process of deep psychological excavation. Number one yun. Isipin mo, ano ba yung triggers mo? What are the things hindering you from doing the things you want to achieve? Find healthier ways to release unprocessed emotions. Pwedeng journaling kasi nagkakaroon ka ng bigger picture na kaya pala ako ganito. Reinvent our self-image. First, I read books that says the opposite about my current self-image. Kung kunyaring hindi maganda yung tingin ko sa sarili ko or I feel down, I have low self-esteem, I read books that will give me hope and inspiration. First is the Bible kasi God created us for greatness and hindi niya gugustuhin na magwalo ka or ma-stuck up ka sa current situation mo, which is not the best version of yourself. Kung hindi mo gusto ang self mo ngayon, read things that will remind you that there is hope, that all of us have the chance to reinvent ourselves. Take the necessary steps, show up for yourself. Don't listen to voices that says na hindi ka na makakapagbago. Saturate yourself with voices that will help you with your transformation.